Hair loss treatment for men. Whatever age you are, the sudden onset of hair loss can be a shock. Hair and hairstyles define a person, and young men especially can get very upset about the loss of their hair. Hair loss is a sign of virility, and it's a sign of high testosterone. The biochemical pathway of this hormone has a lot to do with hair loss, so the cause is natural, and we have a natural solution. Do not worry, natural help is here. Ecohomme hair loss treatment for men is now available here and on Amazon, and with scientific and medical evidence. And the key word is rosemary. Hair loss treatment for men. Understanding male pattern baldness and its causes. There are also genetic factors with hair loss to consider. Hormones like the ones involved in the production of testosterone also contribute to hair loss. Recognize the genetic factors behind hair loss too, as hair loss may just run in the family. Hair loss will occur as we age, but we find if people use rosemary on the outside and omega-3 flaxseed supplements on the inside over 3 months, they will see a marked difference in the growth of their hair improving and being stronger. Hair loss can also be triggered by stress, so also look at how you can reduce things in your life that cause you stress. This hair loss type can be a good thing, as it's a sign you need to change job or exit from the situation that is causing the stress. FDA-approved medical treatments. Side effects. There are a number of pharmaceutical treatments that you can get on prescription from your medical doctor or dermatologist. However, in recent years, dermatologists are wanting their patients to try a natural route first. The potential side effects ranging from common scalp irritation, itching, dryness, with some patients experiencing sexual dysfunction, erectile dysfunction, low libido, ejaculation issues, and depression, with some men experiencing long-lasting effects. So it's best to try possibly nature first with natural treatments. Natural and alternative hair loss solutions. 2 years ago, we formulated and launched rosemary and mint scalp oil. The results have been amazing, and over people have told us how this natural product has helped with their hair loss and stopped it. Such has been the surge of interest with rosemary and mint scalp oil, a number of notable and famous dermatologists have been making comments about this product type. Dr. Anthony Rossi Jr., MD, founder of Dr. Rossi Derm, explains that rosemary extract has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Dr. Brendan Camp, MD, FAAD, board-certified dermatologist at MDCS Dermatology in New York City, says by coating the hair shaft with oil, sebum helps soften and smooth hair and strengthens it to prevent breakage. Ecohomme Rosemary Hair Loss Treatment for Men. This potent scalp elixir delivers deep hydration and vital nutrients to your scalp, also promoting strong and lustrous hair from the roots. Rosemary for men can block a type of testosterone that can be involved with hair loss. Dr. Garlapati says it blocks the effects of DHT, which is a type of testosterone that is normally responsible for shrinking hair follicles that can lead to hair loss. He says it increases blood flow to hair follicles, which increases the delivery of oxygen and nutrients, promoting hair growth. Experience the ancient wisdom of aromatherapy as the delicate scents of follicle-stimulating rosemary, cooling peppermint, earthing cedarwood, relaxing lavender, and anti-aging myrrh work in harmony to soothe your senses and calm your mind. Let stress melt away when you use our aromatherapy Ecohomme Rosemary and Mint Scalp Oil with well-being essential oils. 8 more carrier oils. Whilst others in this area formulate with only 1 carrier oil, like soybean oil, we have formulated with 8. That is 7 more than you ordinarily get. This is because that we have formulated not just for hair growth in mind naturally, but also to protect the hair shaft after it comes out of the follicle. Our blend helps strengthens and protects this with the carrier oils we have chosen to use for you. Our Ecohomme Rosemary and Mint Scalp Oil is infused with the goodness of 8 scalp-soothing and hair-boosting botanical oils of sunflower with soothing calendula, nourishing sweet almond, moisturizing castor, toning jojoba, soothing fractionated coconut oil, emoliating avocado, conditioning sesame, and anti-aging grapeseed oil. Vitamin E, the secret to radiant hair. The secret to radiant hair lies in the power of vitamin E, a key ingredient in our formulation. Vitamin E helps to nourish and fortify your hair, protecting it from damage and leaving it with a beautiful, healthy sheen. This is why we included this ingredient in the Ecohomme Rosemary and Mint Scalp Oil. Daily hair care strategies for prevention. 20 minutes before you wash your hair, massaging this product type into your scalp and hair twice a week 20 minutes before you wash your hair is what is recommended by dermatologists. This is what dermatologists recommend, and in fact, if your hair loss is excessive, they suggest that you leave it on all night. Just wrap a towel around your head and let all the natural goodness soak in. We are currently developing an olive oil-based shampoo and conditioner for a hair loss treatment for men. Until then, only wash your hair with shampoos that do not have sodium lauryl sulfate, a foaming agent found in most shampoos. Try a Castile soap. This will not dry your scalp as much as the shampoo with the foaming agent. Manage stress to prevent hair loss acceleration. If your hair loss is caused by stress, try and see it as a natural sign from your body communicating to you to leave the stressful environment. Do you suffer hair loss? Let us know in the comments below and we will send you the link for our Ecohomme range on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Share it with friends who may benefit from our Ecohomme Rosemary hair loss treatments for men. Remember, confidence is the best accessory for any hairstyle.